Hi, I'm Joe Reddix, President and CEO of the Reddix Group out of Hanover, Maryland, USA. The Reddix Group is an IT program management firm specializing in federal government contracts, but not limited to that. One of the things we have also developed within the Reddix Group is an alternative to the traditional prime subcontract model. In our model, we use a peer-to-peer approach of large, small, and medium-sized corporations, including individuals, to form a team. The network is the prime. So instead of having a single corporation, we have a network of companies that forms the prime. This gives us elastic capability to solve elastic kinds of problems. One of those kinds of problems is healthcare, especially in health IT. We look at it from the standpoint that as large as the problem, we need a resource pool that can actually work on that kind of a complex problem, whether it's domestic or globally. One of the things that we share in common is that the fairness and economic balance allows us to pay for the work that is actually done. So if you do 60% of the work, you get 60% of the value. In looking at traditional prime subcontract models, we know that there's an economic imbalance. We are trying to stop that. Thank you.